The perception is, well, spreadsheets are free, but in actuality, there's a cost. And normally that cost comes into play whenever it comes to scalability. Maybe in the early days, one or two people that are very dialed in the company, maybe a spreadsheet is fine at the beginning. Once you start adding more and more people to the team, different roles, things like that, then that's whenever it starts to test the capabilities of the spreadsheet. So the number one problem for SMBs using spreadsheets is that it's not scalable. People are tripping over each other. People are having different copies of the spreadsheet. It just becomes something that nobody can really trust that it's up to date or that it's accurate. The cost isn't in the spreadsheet itself. It's in the operational drag that goes along with it. So first up, it's labor waste. So you're having your best employees that might have the most knowledge internally, and they are spending time in spreadsheets. They're spending hours fixing numbers, updating formulas, trying to find where errors are coming from and overwriting those. And then you're having your best people doing low value work just to keep these spreadsheets operational. Second, avoidable mistakes. So these costs come down to not having the right inventory on hand in order to ship out customer orders on time. Maybe you thought you had more inventory than you actually have because you forgot to update a line item or an order. So lots of challenges there in terms of if you're not shipping out orders consistently to customers, then you can lose customers, lose that lifetime value that you could have by keeping your customers happy. I've seen so many horror stories, I can't limit it to just one, but many of the horror stories sound something like this. I had one genius of an architect that built this spreadsheet out, had all these formulas tied in, and everything just worked. But someday they might leave the organization, and then the spreadsheet falls apart because no one really understands how everything was built, how things should be maintained, and then over time, it becomes a mess. Spreadsheets are quite fragile for a growing SMB business, and they should be having a system that's a source of truth, pulling in all their orders, all their inventory data, all their financial data, and having it in a relational database where it's less fragile than just a homemade spreadsheet setup. Many times there's people that are spending hours a day in just updating their spreadsheets because they're worried that other departments or whatnot or other people in the company won't be able to do their job if I don't update my spreadsheet. And then a lot of times it's not data that is brand new. They're just manually typing data that's coming in from another system. So I've seen cases where the owner of the company frees up 2 hours a day from spreadsheet work and, reconciling and fixing errors to then in a real-time inventory system, they're now using those 2 hours a day much better to help them grow their business. So instead of just at their desk and updating spreadsheets, they are using that time to focus more on marketing or sales or things that are going to actually help to grow the revenues in their business because they can have more faith in their systems working for them.